Day 3 of spinning up loop till I get the eagle. Okay, let's spin. This eagle. Please don't lie. Don't lie, guys. Don't lie, boss eagle. Don't lie, boss eagle. They eat it. Let's start for now. But I have nothing possibility of when I'm in second shift and I'm 600 but in actuality is